Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Let's discuss on job applications. Letter writing is a part of applying for a job. We shall discuss about a job application for a given post. Please note, question number 32 in your exams is for an easy 5 marks. The most important is to understand the question properly, know the format of the letter and the biodata. For simplicity, I will use the word biodata here, though it is also known by names such as personal data, resume, CV, or curriculum vitae. We shall write a letter followed by a simple biodata. Let's get into understanding what a job application is. A job application consists of two parts: a covering letter giving details and a biodata. A job application is a formal or official letter, unlike a personal letter written to relatives or friends. A job application can be written in two ways: a separate sheet of covering letter and one sheet of resume, or it can be written continuously, one or two sheets without any break. There is no much difference between these two. Important to remember is it will have a letter followed by the biodata. The letter gives details of why the application is written, and the biodata shares personal data of the applicant. Other official letters for information are complaint letters, enquiry letter, suggestion letter, etc. Let us understand the letter format. The first set, from, date, and the to address with about one line spacing. It is easy to remember. First is from. First starts with F and from starts with F. The second set is dear sir or madam. As far as possible, avoid any other salutation. Dear is simple and common. If the gender of the person is known, then use appropriately. If not, use sir/madam. That would include introduction, details, and closing. Third, the common things: thank you, yours faithfully or sincerely, and the signature. Please do not use respectedly or obediently. It is very important to note all official letters will have the same format except for the reference, used only if needed. This learning will help you in future to write letters to various agencies and departments. Now let us get into an actual letter as a sample to understand the format. It starts with from address, a small space, followed by the date, and a small space, followed by the to address. If you notice, the words from, date, to are not written, as they are obvious. Then it's followed by dear sir or madam, followed by the subject. As informed earlier, it could be indented a little or it could be flush. It does not matter. Let us now go through the salutation, that is dear sir or madam. Subject, application for post of junior assistant. And the reference, your advertisement in Deccan Herald, dated December 26, 2022. Then followed by the subject. In response to your advertisement mentioned above, I am applying for the post of junior assistant. I have passed my PUC with a first class. I have also taught myself on handling computers and Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. I can handle Kannada and English languages. I have 6 months experience in accounting. I have enclosed my resume with this application. I hope it will serve your requirement. And a very common thing, no change, right as it is, thank you, not thanking you, just thank you, yours faithfully, and your signature. In the examination, You're not supposed to divulge any personal information. For that reason, you'll be requested to use other symbols, for example, XXX for your name and YYY for your address. So for signature, you will use XXX. Let us now write a letter based on a question. For this, use appropriate date from the newspaper. The institution is Prerana Pre-University College. Post is lecturer in biology. Address to Sir, Madam, not sure of gender. The secretary, Prerana Education Trust, Dharwad. Mention education and experience as well as communication skill. The highlighted words are important to act upon. Let's read the question. Write a letter of application in response to the following advertisement which appeared in The Hindu dated 2 February 2014. Wanted. Prerana Pre-University College, Dharwad invites application from qualified individuals for the post of lecturer in biology. Apply within 10 days to the Secretary, Prerana Education Trust, Dharwad. Candidate with experience and good communication skill will be given preference. So we start with XXX for the name, YYY for the address, followed by the date in correspondence with the advertisement, followed by the to address, the Secretary, Prerana Education Trust, Dharwad, followed by the salutation, Dear Sir, Madam, and the subject, post of lecturer in biology. Reference, your advertisement in The Hindu dated 2 February 2014, and the body. In response to your advertisement mentioned above, I am applying for the post of lecturer in biology. I have passed my PUC with a first class. I have taken a course in basics of computers. I am fluent in Kannada, Hindi, and English. I also have an experience of 2 years as a junior lecturer. I have enclosed my resume with this application. I hope I meet your requirement and awaiting your earliest response. And the last is the common stuff. Thank you. Yours faithfully, and the signature. Let us now move on to the second part of the job application, which is the resume. The resume was actually called as biodata. It means personal information. Then the word resume came to be used. The latest CV used short for curriculum vitae. All are the same. Maintain a style of all flush to the left, except your signature. Here, your personal details would include name, father's name, date of birth, contact address, nationality, qualification, languages known, experience, and hobbies. Then you will end it with place and date, followed by the signature. And finally, practice on a few letters with the same format to get used to writing letters. And good luck to you.